If you want to use Twitch in a different language, you can easily translate your Twitch language. Just follow these easy steps to do it. Open Twitch and make sure to sign into your account. And now click on your profile photo at the top right. And here scroll down and click on language. And here you will get bunch of different languages. You can select any language to translate your Twitch. Let's select Francis. And now here we can see my Twitch has been translated to this language. That's how you will be able to use a language from this available language list. So this is how we can change our Twitch language. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.